They have more than you, but they envy you. This person or individual feels very threatened by your energy. They see within you that you hold a certain magnetism that attracts others around. They feel like they have to go above and beyond to get the same type of attention and opportunities that you do. What you possess cannot be taught and it cannot be bought. You are very magical to this individual and to others. It's almost as if you have created your own world of magic, your own world of fantasy. And this person feels like they are dull in comparison to you. You are extremely creative. This could be in regards to the way that you dress, how you live your life, your experiences. This person feels like they are so far-fetched and out of reach for them. Your imagination is what triggers this individual. And it's almost as if you are literally in your own world. You have that sense of inner peace. You're not bothering anyone. You mind your own business. And you create magic wherever you go. I'm picking up an energy of, a unicorn. So you've got that unicorn-like quality. You just bring so much love and light and magic wherever you go. And many people want to align themselves with you. And this person feels like they haven't got the same pull. They're very fixated on your creativity. And I feel like it could be in regards to the way that you dress, the way that you do your hair. Also, how you live your life. Some of you may go on different holidays. Some of you are creatives as well. You just bring a lot of glamour, a lot of pizzazz. And you have this ethereal, siren-like, majestic, otherworldly quality. Some of you could have Neptune on your ascendant, so you may always change your look. And it brings a lot of anger to this individual. It also brings a lot of anger to this person because they see how other people react towards you. Whenever this person hears or sees how people like you, love you, it gets them extremely enraged. Whenever they hear how people have nothing but good words to say about you, it brings on mini tornadoes within this individual. They are so jealous of you. Because in their view, they feel like they have everything in the 3D. For some of you, this person could have, I'm hearing, a brilliant job. They could be very stable. They may come from money, or there's an obsession with money. There's an obsession with the material. And they may have more than you in the 3D. And they don't understand why people are gravitating towards you. They feel like with what they have, people should be paying them more respect. People should be looking their way. Especially due to the fact that this individual goes above and beyond. They have to try extra hard to get what they want. And they have tried extremely hard to gain what they have. And they feel like here comes you with your star quality, just gliding through with ease, and the attention's on you. You get the type of girls or the type of guys that they dreamed of. You get their attention. You get opportunities whereby people want to partner up with you and do business with you because people believe in your skill, in your creativity, because you believe in yourself. And they're trying to understand why. Why are people not reacting the same way that they do you? Why don't people say nice things about them the way that they say nice things about you? This person's very rigid and very bitter. They feel blocked, they feel trapped, and they feel stuck. And that's what they wanted for you. And they don't really want to be around you. For some of you, you may have experience this person just ghosting you, or this individual just detaching from you, or being very cool towards you, it's because of their jealousy. They're very fixated on you. And like I said, they may have more than you in the 3D. They may have more money than you. They may have, a job that pays them more. They may be more established, more accomplished, whatever the case is. But they're still fixated on you. And the more they fixate on you and your energy, the more angry they become. Now, for some of you, this could be a sibling. This could be an ex-partner. This could be a friend that had romantic feelings for you, but they knew within that you didn't feel the same way. And when you were connected to this individual, you may have been, going through a hard time, is what I'm picking up. You may have been going through grief, or this person from way back, right? There's something around this person feeling like you did not know your worth. You didn't know how attractive you are. You didn't know how creative you are, how talented you are. And this person was satisfied with you not knowing. Maybe they were in your life and they were lording it on you, making you feel as if you needed them. There's something here about this individual feeling like, I'm getting a sense whereby this individual wanted you to be down in the dumps, unfortunately. Maybe looking back now, you can see that this person, they weren't as supportive as they were pretending to be. They came in or back into your life when you were going through some type of trauma or grief, and they presented themselves as if they were supportive, but it was designed to keep you down, keep you beneath them, and also they were hovering around to see what your next move would be, to see what else they could rival you with. Does that make sense? Right? So this person, they could be a old friend, a sibling, a cousin, someone that had romantic feelings for you, but you didn't look at them in that way. And if you didn't look at them in that way, and this person had this energy of, okay, you don't find me attractive, but I don't want you to know how attractive you are, so that you go out there and connect with someone that is a match for you. This is what this person was thinking, because it's almost as if you let off an energy to make them realize that you weren't seeing your worth. You weren't seeing how beautiful you were. You weren't seeing how handsome you were. For my guys, and this could be like a female friend, right? Or it could be a male friend. Please take what resonates. But they could read within you that you lacked a certain confidence somewhere, and they fed into that. They fed into it to make you think that they were the only ones that will be there for you. You needed no one else. So I say all the time on this channel, they tried to bind you to them. Even if it was a family member, this family member is jealous of you. They've always been jealous of you. This is a past life enemy. Regardless of who it is, it's a past life enemy. This is the 6 of Cups. This person feels like you got that magic that they cannot access. Reason being is because you radiate so much love and light. How you are within exudes outwardly. So this person may have a lot in the 3D, but they haven't got what you possess in the 5D. And for some of you, you do have maybe the same amount of money or even more than this individual, but you don't brag and boast. You're the type of person to keep your bank balance quiet. You don't talk about what you own from what you don't own. Now, for some of you, that's not the case, but one thing is for certain, regardless of the fact, you are spiritually abundant and this person is spiritually bankrupt. And that is the missing thing as to why you are higher than this individual. You have spiritual authority. This person lacks spiritual awareness. They are so detached from self. They are consumed with the 3D. They have, binded, try to lure people, try to stunt on people with what they have in the 3D. Whereas you have this essence whereby you align with your morals and your values. You stay close to spirit, God, whoever you believe in. You work hard and you have this inner knowing that what is for you will always be for you. There's no forcefulness. There's no trying to lure or bind or trap others so that they can bend to your will. No. And when you get your blessings, it comes in buckets. And this individual just sees the blessings that come before you. They feel like you can have your pick and choose as to, especially it's in regards to like how you look and your creativity, how you express yourself. And they don't get it. They don't get it. Because they are all about forcing and thinking that they're going to be loved for what they have. You are loved for who you are. This person doesn't want to do the inner work. They want to chase fame. They want to chase validation. They want others to feel like people need to be with them in order to get a certain amount of attention and love, etc. And they envy you for having that inner peace, for attracting, for being in your soft girl or soft guy energy. And their energy is rigid, it's rough. Outwardly, they may appear attractive, but inwardly, people can sense the coolness. People can sense the bad mindness. That's what they don't understand. And people can sense from you that you are of love. And that's what they're trying to rival you for, your energy, your essence, but they'll never have it. They will never have it because you are in touch with your inner child. And you honor your inner child. And you nurture your inner child by doing things that you enjoy, by expressing yourself creatively. These are all things that honor your inner child. This person is emotionally and creatively blocked. And they feel stuck and stagnant because all the things that they have tried to invest in are falling to the wayside because they keep focusing on what you're doing. Their fixation is on you and your demise. They want you to fail. Not knowing that every time they try and fixate on your failures, spirit stagnates them and blesses you some more. You see, the more you express love, the more you pour love into yourself, the more you will exude love. This person doesn't love themselves. And the thing is, self-love is an ongoing journey. This person is too busy waiting for your downfall. So jealous of your essence. So jealous that people want to give to you. Angry and determined to block your flow. This person is delusional. This person is crashing out. They're lacking direction in their life. And because they lack direction in their life, they want to come over into your life and spoil things for you. But you're very focused and determined. You know where you are going. And you're moving away from this person, or spirit is urging you to. Because nothing good will come from this. This person wants you to fail. And you have come into this person's life, or you are a representation to this individual of, you could have all the money in the world. But if you are not right within, you're never going to win. Hashtag Lauren Hill. And so this person wants to rival you. They want to be the king or the queen of the castle. They want to understand why people love you and not them. They want to understand why you are so highly intelligent, highly skilled at what you do, why you're so beautiful, why you're so regal, why you radiate this goddess or godly energy. Why do you have it all? In their view, because some of you are still striving. Because in this person's view, they were supposed to be the one that was stable, that was accomplished, not you. And that's why they're jealous of you. Because everything that they fought and wanted for you is either going to happen to them or it's happening to them now. And the more this person continues to fixate on your downfall, the more tower moments that are going to occur in their life if they are not receiving these tower moments already. This person is pocket watching you. And the more they pocket watch you, the more shocked they will be. To them, you have everything in abundance. But they thought that they were better than you, remember? And in the 3D, they may look like they've got more than you. But not in the spiritual. You or this individual could be of the signs Pisces, Aries, Virgo, Aquarius, Pisces again, Virgo, Leo, Cancer, Sagittarius, Cancer, Libra, Leo, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. So I should actually rephrase the title. They envy you because you have more than them. You have a spiritual authority that they will never ever possess. And they know deep within they can't rival it. And every time they try and rival you for who you are, and what they're fearful of is what you can attain with this type of energy that you got. Spirit is going to line it up so that they witness your success. Take care of yourself, keep shining, and keep away from this person, for real.